If the KSi AutoTreat system machine has been associated with a manufacturer that provides pre-loaded recipes, these recipes can be added directly from the recipe page. Manufacturer recipes come pre-configured with a recipe name, the associated treat products, and the defined treat product application rates. To add a manufacturer recipe, select New. From the recipe type options, choose Manufacturer. Then select the desired manufacturer from the drop-down list. The manufacturer's available recipes will be displayed, and you can either scroll through the list or use the search filter to quickly find a specific recipe. Once a recipe is selected, its items and application rates will appear on the right-hand side of the screen for review. After confirming the selection, click Add. The manufacturer recipe will now appear in the recipe list, where it can be used to create a recipe mapping profile before being run with an order.